In this video, I'll show you how to lower the back seats of your Century. So what you need to do, it's very easy. Okay, go on the back and you're gonna notice these loops. There's one here and there's one on the other side in the same location, around there. Simply have to pull it, the backrest goes down, and simply bring it completely. Now let's go on the other side. Same thing, you should find the loop. Maybe it's not visible, you'll have to fish it. Okay, you see, it was right here. Once you got it, pull on it, it will unclip the latch, and now your back seats are lowered. To put back the seats, you just have to bring it, make sure they stay in place, okay? Try to pull it by the headrest, because you don't want this to fall down in case you are in an accident. So this is about it, very easy to do. You can even hold this loop so no one knows that you can do that. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.